Okay guys, so we on the Toyota here, finishing off, got the head back. One of the valves were bent and a skim, pretty much all. New valve stem seals fitted, head gasket only, intake gasket and new head bolts. So yeah, just cleaning off the motor here, taking off the little bits of head gasket that's left there, and then we're gonna assemble. So yeah, they didn't blow. So we just did a light skim just as a matter of principle, because the head is off. Make sure the surface is straight when you put it back on. Wasn't necessary, but we decided to do it. Yeah, and then a nice Victorine's head gasket, decent brand, UV seal intake and some head bolts. So yeah, we're gonna assemble this. I'll update you on the progress of that. See all the parts here at the back. Here's the intake manifold and all the parts. So yeah, we're going to assemble it now, put it together, and then we'll update later.